Entropy. In the name of God, Fundamental of Thermodynamics, Chapter 8, Entropy, from Borknack and Sontag, 7th edition. We first have a introduction. Up to this point in our consideration of the second law of thermodynamics, we had dealt with only the thermodynamic cycles. Although this is very important and useful approach, we are often concerned with the process rather than cycles, such as the combustion process in automobile engines. So process such as combustion, process in an automobile engine, the cooling of a cup of coffee is the process also cooling of cup of coffee. Or the chemical process that can take place in our bodies. And other example, it would also be beneficial to be able to deal with the second law quantitatively as well as qualitatively within the process. In our consideration of the first law, we initially stated the law in the term of a cycle, but we then defined the property, the internal energy, that enable us to use the first law quantitatively for process. So we have two approaches. Second law, qualitatively and quantitatively. Very quantitatively and qualitatively. For the second law, for example, when we define a property, the internal energy enable us to use the first law as quantitatively for process. We use internal energy. Similarly, we have stated the second law for a cycle, and we find that the second law leads to property entropy that enable us to treat the second law quantitatively for processes. And also entropy. Energy and entropy are both abstract concepts to help us to describe certain observations. As we noted in Chapter 2, thermodynamics can be described as the science of energy and entropy. The significance of this statement will become increasingly evident. The first section is the inequality of Clausius.